How to register your 4-year-old for Florida's free voluntary pre-kindergarten, VPK. Before we begin the registration process, be sure to have scanned and saved your proof of the child's age and proof of Florida residence. Go to our website and click on the Family Portal button. Scroll to apply for VPK. If you do not have an account on the FDOE single sign-on page, please create one. FDOE will email you the verification code. It will look like this. Once your account is set up, begin the VPK application. Make sure your child will be 4 on or before September 1st. Enter your child's date of birth. If you want your child to attend the 540-hour school year, select the VPK program year. Read the instructions carefully. Reminder: please scan and save your proof of the child's age and proof of Florida residence. You will upload the documents at the end of the application. Complete the child's information. Once completed, click Next Step. If you want your child to attend from August through May, select the school year at 540 hours. If you'd prefer your child attend June through July of next year, select summer at 300 hours. Most families select the school year. Once completed, click Next Step. Once you've completed the parent profile, child profile, household information, and program info, you can upload your proof of Florida residence and proof of the child's age. The application can't be processed without this documentation. Once completed, click Next Step. Congratulations, you have registered your child for free VPK. You can choose from more than 350 quality VPK providers. Request a list at ccrr@elcduval.org. We look forward to working with you.